up, y'all? Jazz Janay here, and today I am coming to y'all with my July favorites. So July favorites is just products that I've been using, music I've been listening to, and just like items that I have found in the month of July that I have really been messing with. So I have a few skincare, hair, tech stuff. So I'm gonna just get right into it. So I'm gonna start off with skincare. I've been really trying to get into I've been taking care of my skin and stuff like that, but I want to get into like buying more expensive products and stuff. I'm not there yet, but I have been investing more into my skin, and I have been finding just educating myself a little bit more on it. I follow I forgot her name, gosh, LA Beautyologist, global esthetician, LA Beautyologist. She's a skincare YouTuber and she's an esthetician. I follow her on Twitter, and she gives all kinds of advice on Twitter and stuff like that. So I've just been taking in what she's been saying and just looking for that in the products that I buy. She's the one that came up with the washing your face with your hands instead of a brush for 60 seconds, and y'all, I have been doing that, and it's been working out for me. I used to have really crater face, bumps all over, and I still do have a few blackheads and stuff like that, but it's nowhere near as bad as it used to be when I first started college. So yeah, let's get into these products, girl. So first I'm gonna start with these glow peel pads by Pixi. And they're just little pads. And I've been hearing a lot about Pixi skincare products. I know y'all have heard of the Glow Tonic. A lot of people swear by that. I haven't gotten it yet, but I did pick this up. I'm so dumb. It's a glow peel pad, and it has 20% glycolic acid and rose water, and it's an advanced exfoliating treatment. So LA Beautyologist, she was saying how instead of using really scrubs, facial scrubs and stuff like that, she was just you need to do chemical scrubs, and she said glycolic acid was a good chemical scrub to use. So I've been using this, and I really like how it has been doing my skin. After I use this and I wake up in the morning, my skin is literally glowing, and I really like that glowy look because your melanin has to shine. But yeah, I really been liking this product. Another product I have been liking is a facial serum, and I just picked this up from TJ Maxx. It was literally for $5.90. Glycolic acid facial serum, and it's by Province Beauty, and it's natural and vegan. And I put this on after I wash my face and I tone, and I just put this on, and it just gives my face a nice soft shine and a little bit of moisture. And then I put my moisturizer on top of it, and I just really like how it makes my skin look. I've been trying to go summer days without makeup, so that has really been helping out. It doesn't have my skin doesn't look all dry. It just looks real glowy, real hydrated, real fresh, and that's what I've been liking about this product right here. Also, another product that I've been using, I also got from TJ Maxx, and it's by the same brand, Province Beauty, and it's the aloe and rose water balancing face mist, and it has Bulgarian rose, aloe vera, and Nigerian hibiscus. And this was also $5.99, and I just spray this when I'm about to put on my makeup, or I just need a refresher or something. It just makes my skin feel really cool. It cools my skin down, and it just gives it a nice little glow as well, because it's just, I don't know, it's just refreshing your face. It's just a nice feeling when I spray this on my face. Actually, I'm gonna spray some now. But yeah, it makes you feel really good. So I've been loving this too. Another thing that I got from TJ Maxx is the Too Faced Glow Mask. and it's literally glitter. I'll insert a video on how it looks on the face. But I've been using this. I haven't used it every night. I've used it like 3 or 4 times now, and it's a radiance boosting glitter face mask. And I don't know what it's supposed to do. I guess I just like how it looks. My skin hasn't like reacted bad to it or anything like that, and my skin does feel bad once I peel it off because it is a peel off mask. I really just think it's just for looks. I don't know, but I really liked it and stuff, how it looked and all that. I thought it was like really cute, and my skin hasn't reacted bad to it, so it may be doing something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm the last one to give skin product recommendations because my skin still has a long way to go. So yeah. So another thing that I've been using, this counts as a skincare and a hair product. It's the Indian Healing Clay Aztec Clay Mask, and the world's most powerful facial. I mix this with either water or apple cider vinegar. I feel like the apple cider vinegar though, when I mix it with the apple cider vinegar, it kind of burns. So I like to mix this more with water when I use it as a facial. And then like I use it as a hair mask as well. I use it as a hair mask as well before I shampoo. And I put this on my hair and I mix this with apple cider vinegar when I put it in my hair. And let it sit on for a good 10 minutes on my hair. And y'all, when I use this, my hair has never been so soft and defined. I really love this product. I know this product is old, but this is like my first time trying it this month, and I've really been liking this. So if you haven't already, go get this for your natural hair. It's bomb. Oh, I got one more skincare item. I've been so excited to get this, y'all. I ordered this off Amazon. I will drop the link below, y'all. It was under $20, and I love these. It's like a little mini facial at home. It's a facial steamer, and it like sprays out the steam. It like gets really warm, and it just relaxes your face, get your face all good and stuff like that. I really like this. I really love this. And like a facial steamer, I guess I know when I go get a facial and stuff like that, they use this before they do extractions. And it also came with like its own extraction. It came with a little pack of extraction tools and stuff, but I don't know how I feel about doing my own extractions because they always leave a dark mark on my face. So I don't know about that. But yeah, they usually use it before they do extractions and put product on my face, and water putting product on my face and stuff. So I guess it lets the product seep deep into your pores, and it opens your pores up and stuff and lets the product work better. Maybe that's what it do. I'm not an esthetician. I'm not anything like that. I just know it makes my skin feel great, and it makes me feel like I'm at a mini spa in my own bathroom. So yeah, I will drop the link to this down below, and y'all can go get y'all own if y'all want to. So moving on to hair. My hair is now in a protective style right now, and I've been loving it. All I have to do is just get up and go, oil my scalp with some wild growth oil so my hair can be popping once I take these braids out. And you know, I just been letting it flow. So I mentioned these products in my last wash and go video. It's in my life update video, and I will link that in the cards above. So I've mentioned this before. It's the Hair Care Curl Essence Moisturizing Curl Activator, and this is what has my wash and goes popping. It has Jamaican castor oil, black castor oil, and coconut oil, and it has so much moisture within this. I believe I can just use this and water, and my wash and go would be just fine. I don't think I'll have to use anything else with this. I haven't tried it yet, but maybe there's a video coming. But I've really been liking this. It leaves my wash and go super moisturized, super shiny, all day long. It doesn't like draw up or anything like that and get really dry, which is what I've been dealing with when it comes to my wash and goes. But I found the product that I have been really liking with my wash and goes. Another product that I have not yet tried with my wash and goes is the Edge Booster Style Holding Gel, and I got it in the Styling Peach scent, and I mean the Sweet Peach scent, and I've been loving this, y'all. I've been laying my edges with this with my braids and stuff like that, so I've really been liking this for my edges, and I cannot wait to take these braids out to see how this does with my wash and go, because I've been hearing nothing but great things about this. Now, one thing I can say, this is a little pricey for some gel. It's $13.99, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. And what was I saying? Oh, okay, yeah, it's a little pricey for a gel, but it's I can't say if it's totally worth it or not, but I really love it for my edges and stuff, and I'm gonna see if I really love it for my wash and goes. But the edge control, I love the edge control, but the only thing I did not like about the edge control, which stopped me from using it, is that it turned my edges white. And I don't know if that was because I was putting on too much or what, but maybe I'll buy it again and give it another shot, because the gel has been doing my edges justice, like wonders. I've been loving this. So yeah, can't wait to try it on my wash and go, and that would be another video as well. Okay, so I guess we can jump into makeup now. I'm not really a makeup person. I have like, I literally have one look. My best friend Jayla is always telling me that she wants to see me with a beat face, but y'all, I can't beat my face, and I feel like I don't look right with a beat face. I can do her makeup just fine. Like, I always do her makeup for like parties and stuff like that, and it turns out really pretty. But me doing my own makeup, I don't know if it's like my eye shape, because I feel like I have a hooded eye. I don't know if it's my eye shape or what, but I just feel like I don't look right in like eyeshadow and just a full beat face. Let's speed up this video because I don't want to be that long. Next product is the Fenty Beauty Skin Foundation, and I am, what am I am 440. And I got the soft matte foundation, and I really like this. It literally matches my skin perfectly, and I'm wearing it today. Don't mind my eyebrows. My eyebrows need to go get threaded, and I'm going to do that today actually, and I should have did that before I recorded this doggone video. But yeah, we're just gonna ignore the eyebrows and peep the foundation. Like, this foundation matches my skin perfectly, and I've been loving it. I've been using it for the month of July. I don't really sweat. Like, it doesn't like roll off or anything like that, like how a lot of foundations do. I really do like this. But it stays in place when it comes to like the sweaty weather and stuff like that. It doesn't like disappear off my face or anything like that. So I've really been liking that foundation. I want to get the concealer, and I want to get the bronzer as well, so I think I am going to go get that in the next few weeks, and maybe that'll be in my August favorites, because I'm gonna try to make this like a monthly thing now. Another thing I've been liking is the True Complex by Black Radiance, and it's their contour palette. I got it in dark to deep. I probably should have got medium to dark if they did have it, because I feel like the contour is a little too dark. So I use the bronzer and the highlighter, and I use the contour just a smidge, because it gets like really dark, and I don't want it to look too dark. And I've been pairing it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I use this color right here to contour right here, because I was using that color, but I feel like that was a little too dark for me, so I started using this color, and it's been doing a lot better. Been trying to, you know, step up my makeup game a little bit and stuff, but I really like the highlight color, and I love the sculpt color in the middle. I really like how it's not a bad product or anything like that. It's blendable and all that, and I just really like it. Another makeup item that I've really been liking, y'all, if y'all been watching like my videos since I've started YouTube, the only mascara I have used was Too Faced Better Than Sex. I think it's by Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I have sworn up and down by that mascara. that mascara started getting a little bit too expensive for your girl and stuff like that. I say that so many times, stuff like that. Don't mind me. And my nose is so shiny. Don't mind that either. But my lip gloss popping. But anyway, I have been using Better Than Sex for years, but it runs out so fast, and that's really been getting on my nerves. And it was becoming like really expensive for me, just spending like $20-some on mascara. And I want to start getting into eyelash extensions. I found the girl up here that does them, and it's also a girl in Montgomery that I want to try as well, and I may try her out you know, sometime this year. But and I'm gonna vlog that. So what I was about to say, yeah, I found the new mascara that I've been liking. It's by Wet n Wild Mega Lint Mascara, and it's like $2 freaking at Target, Walmart, or whatever. I found out about this on Pinterest. Y'all, if y'all want to follow my Pinterest, follow me on Pinterest and stuff like that. And I love Pinterest. I have like all kind of like ideas, like pins on my Pinterest board and stuff. But I found out about this product on Pinterest. They post like different stuff on there, so they was just like, you know, go get this mascara. It makes your eyelashes look super duper long and all that. So I went and got it, and it makes my eyelashes look super duper long. Like, you probably can't tell right now because this camera is trash and I need a new camera, but it makes my eyelashes look really, really good. I love how it looks. I don't have on any eyeliner, and I don't go anywhere without eyeliner on, or I don't like take pictures without eyeliner on. But this lets me get away without wearing eyeliner. So I've really been liking that mascara, and I will link everything that I have down below if I can find the link for it. And the last thing that I've been loving is it's my Impressions Vanity.com mirror. Y'all, I found this mirror at TJ Maxx for $29.99, and I've been loving this mirror. It is so cute. It has like the little glam lights on it, and y'all, it is also
Bluetooth mode.
It is a speaker, y'all, and this gets so loud, y'all. Like, I'm upstairs by myself, so I don't bother anybody or anything like that. But I connect my phone to this. I get in the shower, like, y'all, I literally be jamming in the shower now, jamming, doing my makeup and stuff like that. I've really been liking this, and the fact that I found it for $29.99 and it's an Impressions mirror really like blew me away. I love this mirror, and I just thought it was the perfect setup for my new room tour coming soon. But I've really been liking this. It's amazing. The mirror is so like clear, makes me look really pretty, and I'm sorry, I kind of felt myself a little bit in this mirror. But I've really been liking this mirror, and I love the fact that it has a Bluetooth speaker on it, and it connects to my phone or my laptop, and I just jam away listening to my favorite tunes. And so yeah, that is it for my favorites video. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos as I get like more products or more clothing items and stuff like that, because I really enjoy doing these and stuff. And like I've really been wanting to talk about these products that I have gotten. So yeah, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know down below what other videos you would like to see. I have tons of content coming for y'all for the month of August, because your girl is done with school. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.